In this video, I will show you how to set up Eero Wi-Fi extender. So an Eero extender or additional Eero unit expands the coverage of your existing Eero Wi-Fi network. Unlike traditional Wi-Fi extenders, Eero devices create a mesh network or use basically the same Wi-Fi name throughout your home. So first of all, to do that, you will need to set up your main IRO first. Before adding any extender, make sure your main IRO is online and working. Confirm the internet is working and open the IRO application. The extender cannot be added until the main IRO network is running. Of course, you would like to go and plug the IRO extender into the power cable or into the power outlets, and keep in mind that you will need to place it in the same room as the main IRO during the setup. So once you are setting it up, you will have to, or the main IRO and the extender should be close. So wait for it until it's power on and then open the IRO application. If you don't have it, just go and download it. If you have the main IRO normally, you already have it, but if you don't, just download it and sign in into your account. So then you will find, if you just keep it close, you will find the pop-outs to add. As example, we found a new IRO. You will have this add IRO button. So just go and click on add or replace, as example, IRO devices. You may find it there. So just select add an IRO device and follow the instructions or the setup instructions on your phone. The app normally should detect the extender automatically and you don't have to do anything. So you'll have to basically wait for the pairing to finish. The extender will join the network and download updates if needed and will sync with your existing IRO system. This will take or may take to a few minutes, so you just have to wait. Once you finish, you'll find the success or as example screen on your phone. Just click on finish setup and you should be done. Once you're done with that, you can go and move the extender to its final location. Move the extender halfway between the main IRO and any weak Wi-Fi area. Avoid placing it where the signal is already very weak because it will not reach any signals, cannot extend this more if it doesn't receive any signal. So place it halfway from the dead signal area and the main IRO one. And of course, you can also check the signals quality and everything else on the application. As example, you can verify the extenders online, check the network health, and test the Wi-Fi in the previous weak areas. So yeah, that's basically should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.